lahat ng aming gamit. Look. Today is our last day in Korea, guys. Tomorrow is New Year. Uuwi na kami sa bahay na kami mag-New Year. Hello, guys. Ito na ang ating labubu here in Korea. Unboxing tayo. Ayan. Sobrang mura lang dito. Unlike dyan sa Pilipinas. Sobrang mahal. Kinuha ko na siya lahat kasi ayoko ng isa-isa. Baka hindi ko makuha yung dilaw. At sana makuha ko yung kulay dilaw. Ayan. Ayan. Excited. Yeah, original labubu. Original labubu Pop Mart. Ay! Violet. Makukuha din kita. Ayan, color blue. Siyempre, pag bibili ako yung set, ayoko ng isa-isa para lahat meron. Ayun! Yellow. Yellow. Pakitapon yan, please. Yan! Color pink. Yon, color green. One. Then, para, binuksan ko na kasi, alam niyo kung bakit. May mga ganito pa nga yan, no? Kasi pampabigat yan sa bagahe. Ayan. Uy! Luna! Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. 5. 6 na labubu. Today's outfit. Breakfast ulit kami. Good morning. Same. Scramble like this. Same. Oh my God, di ako nakain lahat nito. Oh my G.
Okay, this way please. We can try. And before we try, we can put our seaweed under the line. You can see the color. Very pure, very green. No any black point. It's 100% seaweed, okay? You can see. Show how to do again, and I will explain, and after that I will give everyone class. At the late time we start it, okay? So now just Korea rice roll, and this one in Korea we call gimbap. Yes, today we are going to make Korea gimbap, okay? Carrot and the crab and the bulldog and the kimchi. This roast we will face to roast part, okay? It's kind of like this one. We put the last part like this one. Yeah, we can separate the rice very truly. Okay. We can hold our ingredient. We can put on the rice. Like this one. And a little bit push it. It's mat. When you hold, the rice will rolling inside. You can see like rolling to the end and put back and cutting two sides the rice. Say gimbap. Yeah. Okay. 1 o'clock. So everyone for 2. So we can try.
Galing, nakain ka niyan?
Paano mag-roll, Lola? Ha? Paano mag-roll?
Hindi ka nakikinig.
Wait, ba?
Only one. So one time, don't need take a lot. Because after water, they will become very big, okay?
We're having a lunch time here in Korea because today it's our last day. So tomorrow it's our flight New Year. I hope na hindi kami ma-delay flight. Send the video.
Sino pinapakita mo, babad?
This is the tunnel, right? Where like way steeper.
Yeah, pretty much. It's the opposite.
Yeah. Imagine running down this.
Shit, ang taas.
Ito tumingin. So,
This would be a nice ski
taas ka
slope,
ng
though.
titing.
I think this
Susi ng pagmamahalan. Dito tayo, dito tayo. After kang mag-cable car, ayun na may 7-Eleven. Pwede kang magkape. Nagbo-board ka or nilalamig ka. Ay naman dito sa Korea. Kaya lang mas bet ko pa rin ang Japan. Kasi wala ritong mga chocolates, ramen, yakiniko. But it's okay na ranasan ko na rin mag-Korea. But I'll be back in Japan next year. Uy, magpo-photobooth yung tatlo. May tiyanggi-tiyanggi parang Divisoria. Sinabi ko sa ng toilet. So, we're here in Lotte Mall. Yan guys, so dito na kami ngayon. Ay, may Crocs din, Ang cute ng bag talaga. Ang laki. Ay, ang laki nito. Ang laki dito. Ayan guys, dito merong, ano tawag dito? Korean Mart. Pero we call it Don Quixote dito sa Japan. So ayan, ang dami-dami ring mabibili. Ayan, mga noodles, mga aning-aning, mga init. Ayan na guys, nag-aayos na sila kasi tomorrow na yung flight namin. Binabacuum na niya yung jacket. Ayan. Ang extra lang namin ay 80. So we'll see and check it out kung mag-over baggage. Puro to jacket to. Diba? And guys, today is our last day here in Korea. So we gonna breakfast. Yeah, and this is my food. Guys. So dito na po kami sa airport ng Korea. Nanganak yung maleta namin. Yan guys, dito sa Korea, kapag katapos mo sa immigration, kailangan mong mag-charter train. And then, tsaka mo hanapin yung gate number after you something like 2 minutes. Gano'n naman kabilis. Ayan ang gamit namin. So, yan, dito na kami sa duty free ng Korea. Pero 30 minutes na lang ang oras namin nalalabi. Gusto ko lang makahanap ng Chanel na perfume kasi sa Dubai pa yun nabibili at laging wala sa Pinas. So we'll check if meron ditong Chanel. Ayun, may Chanel pero hindi ko alam kung meron yung perfume ko. This is okay. Ayan, nag-stop over muna kami dito kasi meron pa kaming 20 minutes. At kakainin ko na nga ang Dubai chocolate. Nandito siya sa Korea. Actually, nung nasa Dubai kami, wala nito. Ito yung the best ng, yung sikat. Ito yun, ha? Yung Dubai chocolate na. Number 1. O, diba? Ang sarap. Grabe. Meron pala rito sa Korea.
Puso na Dubai.
Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Dubai. Ang sarap. Goodbye, Korea! Hello, Manila! And Happy New Year! Hindi kami delay flight! Hindi kami delay flight. Goodbye, Korea! Welcome, Manila! At here na nga ang aming around 5 p.m. Andito na ang aming park and fly. So habol talaga kami sa New Year. So sana walang traffic.